Hey, I'm about to give y'all a lesson today, and it's really a blessing. But first and foremost, I want to apologize for this mess because the place is still under construction. So all this chaos that y'all see in the background, just ignore it and pay attention to the content because I'm about to give y'all the proper context right now. So Chase just charged me $1,025 worth of interest. Well, and I'm about to call them up. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to talk to them boys real quick because I'm gonna be like, you know, y'all gonna have to remove that. Because if you don't remove that, boy, I'm gonna send ice and it ain't gonna be nice. So y'all gonna have to pay that price when I send ice. So y'all just might as well just remove that so that we can have a nice day and you won't have to pay. So let me go ahead and call them real quick.
Before I made this call, I need you to understand that these banks need us more than we need them. They make money off of every transaction that I make. So by them refunding me this interest charge, they are putting themselves in a position to make more money rather than me closing the account.
This call will be monitored and recorded, and your voice may be used for verification.
I will also be recording you. So
Welcome to Chase. Para servicio en español, oprima el 9.
no speak español.
Our wait times are longer than usual right now. Please use this automated system or visit chase.com later to make a payment or for other account information. Please enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, followed by...
I do this like once a year, so I don't know if it's gonna work this year, but we gonna see.
Please enter your Chase account number, followed by the pound sign. One moment while we connect you to the next available customer service specialist. Welcome to Chase Customer Service. We take pride in providing you with excellent service and look forward to speaking with you. A customer service specialist will assist you as soon as possible.
Thank you for calling Chase Credit Card Services. My name is Robert. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, good evening, Robert. My name is Javon Denal. How are you doing today?
Doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing all right. Hopefully, I'm doing much better after this call.
How can I help them?
I'm reaching out because I was looking at my account and I noticed that I was charged an interest charge.
Okay. I'll take a look and see what I can find out about an interest charge. What's the last 4 numbers of the credit card? Thank you. Sorry about the wait.
Now, take your time.
Would I be able to get the full card number from you?
Yeah. You ready?
Yes. Maybe I mistyped. 631. Good. I'm going to repeat that. Correct anything I get wrong, okay?
Hold on. Give me a second before you repeat it.
Yeah, of course. Absolutely.
Go ahead.
All right, so that's going to be 4.
No. 4.
Yeah, there goes my dyslexia right now. Okay, I got it.
All right.
What's the name of the business card?
Vaughn's Empire LLC.
Thank you.
Well, it's the ultimate unlimited, the Chase Ink Unlimited.
Yep, Ink Unlimited credit card is being pulled up here. Here we go. Got the credit card pulled up here. Thank you for that. Sorry about all this stuff there. Okay, and I'm just pulling up the history now and reviewing real quick. The interest charge of $1,025.27 here.
Yeah, that's correct.
Reviewing. You have the majority of the balance in the credit card at a promotional 0% APR.
Yeah.
That offer had expired September 6th. So for whatever was carried over from the credit card now being pulled, paid in full before the following due date, you accrued interest for that unpaid balance. So that's why you got $1,025.27 on that July 6th payment date. That payment needed to be paid in full for the full amount, $84,322.57, for there to be no interest on that statement.
You just said September.
I apologize. That promotional offer, May 6th was when the promotional 0% APR expired.
May 6th?
May 6th, correct.
Oh.
I'm I
All right,
will
so
stay with numbers. I apologize.
I'm not sure if there was a mistake on my end or what. I thought it was I thought I had to pay the balance in full before the end of this month. Is there any way that interest charge could be waived?
Well, I can always put in a request to see if it can be. One
All right.
moment. Okay, so it was in fact approved to be waived off. $1,025.27 is going to be refunded in 1 to 2 business days as the balance of the credit card.
Okay. All right. Perfect. I really appreciate that.
Of course. Any other questions from you today? Anything else I could help you with?
So now with that being refunded, my balance should be at 0. So am I gonna be charged at the next cycle?
No.
No?
Now that the majority of I cannot talk today. Maybe I should go home.
No, it's all right.
So the amount that's being refunded is the balance of your credit card because that's the only thing left.
Okay.
So that should put you to 0. You're kind of close, but it should all be reflected here within the same time frame. So you should be fine.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, that's all.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you for choosing Chase.
All right. You as well.
Bye-bye now.
Bye. Just like that. I ain't even had to say please, and they gonna give me back that cheese. You know what I'm saying? Depending on the financial institution, you can reach out to them and ask them to waive interest charges, late payments, and the amount doesn't necessarily matter. They just give you a certain amount per year. Some banks will waive 3 charges. Some of them will only waive 1. Some of them will only waive 2. It just depends on the financial institution. You got to understand that relationship. And I know that when you're dealing with Chase, it's about like 1 or 2 per year per card. So I take advantage of that 0% interest period. And then when it's time to pay, if I'm late by a month or 2, I just reach out to them boys, tell them boys run me my cheese, because I ain't going to pay y'all boys for something that I ain't supposed to pay y'all for. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, it's about that time. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you're notified every time I'm making new posts. But for real though, if any of y'all are carrying interest on any of your credit cards, I want y'all to give it a try. Because it doesn't hurt. So why not? And let me know in the comments below if it works. Or if you have any issues, you can reach out to me and I can assist you. And on that note, I'll see you in the next video.